Hello everyone and welcome to my Puyo Puyo Tetris, Arle, and Carbuncle unboxing. This Nendoroid is one of the 3 that I got out of the Nendoroid mystery box, and if you didn't see that video, you can go click on it now. The link is in the description. But let's open this precious girl on up, and now you can pause to look at the instruction manual if you'd like. Here she is! Ah, so cute! So many accessories as soon as you open the box. I love the design of her, and as you can see, cape has a ball joint, so it's really cool for posing. I've never seen a Nendoroid with a ball jointed cape before. Now we got 5 little Puyos, all in different colors. Really freaking cute. I like how they're opaque and have different faces on them. She comes with 1 optional faceplate and her iconic little Carbuncle figure. Here's all the little Puyos together. So cute. And I kind of wanted to show off the cape a little bit more. I don't know, I was just really fascinated with it. Here she is! So freaking cute. I love that she can hold it as if she's like hugging her little Carbuncle. So cute. And here's her on a Nendoroid. I thought she looked absolutely adorable on Emily's outfit. Thanks for watching!